Hey girls, so I'm just going to show you the new Mary Kay brow tint with a couple of extra goodies. So you can see on my gorgeous model Scarlet, I've just done one of her brows and I'm going to do the other one for you. Okay, so what I'm going to start with is I'm going to base her eyebrow with the hazelnut eyeshadow. But before I do that, I'm going to just dampen her brow a little bit with the finishing spray and the, where's this brush here? Ta-da! The disposable mascara one that comes in the brush set. So I'm just going to wet that. Okay, close those eyes for me, darling. So I'm just dampening that brow, so when I come in and use the eyeshadow, it's going to glide a little bit more for us. Now, depending on the colour of your eyeshadow, you may want to use a darker colour. You could use Hot Fudge, Cinnabar, Espresso, whatever you like. You could mix them if you wanted to do more of an ombre brow. So I'm just swiping up, but I'm creating the line that I want to work with here with the eyeshadow. So this is what's going to replace that pencil. It's filling it in and making it look a little bit fuller and just gives you a little bit more of a guideline. That top of the brow, arch it like this. And little swipey motions down. Beautiful. If you feel like you've overdrawn a little bit, just use an old foundation brush or the concealer brush and just swipe away nice and easy. That's setting you up now to use the brow tint. We're using the dark blonde. Again, depending on your hair color or the color that you like your brows, you can use a darker color. We could go a little bit darker with Scarlet, but we've already done her eyeshadow. Brush it into the brow so you're creating more of a 3D look. And if you feel like it's got a little bit too much on it, go back and use that disposable mascara wand and just brush it out a little bit, keeping that shape with those eyebrows there. To finish it, you could either use the concealer or an under eye corrector. I'm going to use the under eye corrector because it's that peach undertone and it's going to reflect just the top of the brow there and underneath to lift it. And then I'm going to use, again you could use a concealer brush or the foundation brush, and I'm just creating that soft line through there and there. And then underneath, through here and there, and just blending it out. And then chin up a little bit for me, darling. Gorgeous!